So hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can interface Arduino Uno with a LM35 temperature sensor. So there is the exhaust fan of my computer. Now I will show you what happens if I will take this sensor close to the exhaust fan. Now if I am holding the temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. Now I am putting over there, and as you can see on the serial monitor it is started rising. So here is 35 36 degrees centigrade. So let's start this video about how to make this sensor project. So here is the connection. As you can see, the first one is VCC and the middle one is analog and the last one is ground. So middle one will go to the analog 0 pin of your Arduino board, and the VCC will go to the 5 volt, and this wire which is ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino board. So if you want to connect these, here is the proper diagram for the connection. Now you can pause the video to do it. So now we have came to our computer screen where is the Arduino Uno program. You can download this program. So here the delay button, you can change the delay, which means 1 second is equal to 1000. So there is the 1000, that means 1 second. So the program is delayed by 1 second. So now I have open the serial monitor, and now you can see the temperature is 33 32, and this will rise if I will put my hand. So I have put my hand over there on the temperature. Now that's why it is showing 34, and now you can see there that 164 159 temperature is above 100. Then why it is happening like that? So this will happen if you will shake or vibrate your sensor. This will do not give the accurate results of the temperature of your house or home. So now I will change the delay to from 1000 to 2000, which will give the temperature after 2 second delay. So here you can see the temperature is given by the sensor at the analog pin is now delayed by 2 seconds, as you can see here. So this video contains another part in which I have connected a LED which will glow after a certain criteria is fulfilled. So that is in the last of the video. So here you can see that the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, and now I have bought a ice pack and I have put my sensor over it. So that's why the temperature is decreasing from 32 to 11 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius. And if you want any of the Arduino code of the first program in which there was no LED, and in the second program there was a LED which was connected to the pin number 12 of your Arduino board. So you can download any of the code from the description of this video, and please like and subscribe this channel and share with your friends if they want to make this awesome project. So now as you can see here, when the ice pack was there, the temperature was decreasing, and when the ice pack was removed the temperature started increasing again, and I have put the ice pack again on the temperature, and you can see here that the temperature is decreasing again and again. So this is the first program, and we will move to the second program also. So before, please subscribe this channel and also like the video. If you need any help, then please comment down below of this video. So here is the next part of this video in which a LED is connected to the Arduino pin 12, as you can see here, and it is blinking again and again because the temperature is flickering, and I have put the 33 degree temperature in the if or else statement. In that is, if the temperature is above 33 degrees Celsius then the bulb will glow, and if it will below the 33 degrees Celsius then the bulb will not glow. So when I have touched the sensor with my hand, you can see the temperature is above 34 and the bulb is glowing. So like this only you can make any of the you can change any of the temperature, as I have stated earlier also in the delay part, that you can change the delay. So here also you can change the temperature which was set to the 33 degrees Celsius. You can change it to any other number that you want to do so. And if you want this type of video or any other Arduino projects, then please comment down below. I will make a separate video on that. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video.